Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to crochet this unique 3D snowflake ornament for a Christmas tree. This snowflake is about 4 inches tall and wide. I will be working using this cotton thread size 10, and my hook is 1.95 millimeter. I am also going to use silver metallic thread for the last round. It's about the same size, but of course this round can be made using thread of any color you like, or even the white color. The 3D snowflake consists of 3 snowflakes which are folded and glued together. It can be done with a needle and thread, but a glue gun makes it much easier. I use this small mini low temperature glue gun, and it works just fine. We'll start making a snowflake with 6 groups of 3 double crochets with chain 3 between, made in a magic loop. So I'm making a magic loop. Chain 3 is the first double crochet, then 2 more double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, and we'll repeat it 3 more times. Five groups so far, and this is the last one. Now close the loop, and instead of the last chain 3, make a double crochet in the 3rd beginning chain. Since we need to finish this round closer to this last group of 3 double crochets, not the first one. Now let's get rid of this end of thread and fix the magic loop, passing a needle with this thread on the left side of work in a few different directions. 2 or 3 is usually enough, like this. In the second round, we'll be also making groups of 3 double crochets, this time in chain 3 spaces, and between them chain 3, a single crochet in the middle of the group of 3 double crochets of the previous round, and chain 3. So I'm making chain 3 as the first double crochet, and then 2 more. Now chain 3 and a single crochet in the middle of 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, a single crochet in the middle of 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, a single crochet, and the chain 3. So we have made half of this round together. Continue, please. And at the end, after the last chain 3, make a slip stitch in the third beginning chain. Like this, chain 3 and a slip stitch. In the third round, in each double crochet, we'll be making a single crochet and chain 15 between those groups of 3 single crochets. Start with chain 1 instead of the first single crochet, and then single crochets in the second and in the third double crochets, and chain 15. 5, 10, 15, 3 single crochets, stitch and stitch, chain 15, 5, 10, 15, 3 single crochets, chain 15 again, and single crochets. Once again, we have made half of the round together. Continue with the next half, please. At the end, make a slip stitch in this first chain that we made at the beginning of the round. In the fourth round, the last white round, we'll be making slip stitches in the middle of 3 single crochets and 19 single crochets in each chain 15 space. So I'll start with a slip stitch in this middle single crochet, and now single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, make them quite tight, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and a slip stitch in the middle single crochet. Now 19 single crochets in the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and a slip stitch in the middle, single crochet again. Continue making groups of 19 single crochets with a slip stitch between, please. In the last round of the snowflake, which I am going to be making using silver thread, we'll be making a single crochet in each single crochet of the previous round, except for the 6 single crochets in the middle of each group of 19, we will make 2 single crochets with chain 4 for a picot, and we'll always be making the last single crochet and the first single crochet of adjacent points of the snowflake together. I am inserting the hook in one of those slip stitches that we made between the points and working in this thread. I'm making single crochets in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we go to the middle of the 19 single crochets, the 10th, where we'll make a single crochet, chain 4, and a single crochet. Now we are making 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the last one, which we'll make together with the first of the next group of 19. We'll skip this slip stitch and we'll make a single crochet. Now 8 single crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the next one we are making 1 single crochet, chain 4, another single crochet, 8 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 2 together, the last one, skip the slip stitch, the first one together, and continue working this round this way, please. After you make your first snowflake, make 2 more. and then starch them all. In order to keep their shape, these snowflakes need to be starched very well, need to be pretty hard. If you are not sure how to do that, I have a video on my channel, how to give shape to crocheted things, and the link is on your screens now. When the snowflakes are starched and blocked and dry, they need to be ironed, preferably through cotton cloth, possibly with steam, and then folded along one of the short sides and ironed again to make this crease as thin as possible. After that, put a little glue on this crease. Take another snowflake, open it a little, and hold these two snowflakes for a minute or two so that they would be glued together very well. After that, put another stripe of glue here in the middle. Add the third snowflake and once again half open it and hold it, trying to glue it to the first two. When everything is well glued together and you are happy with the shape of the snowflake, use a needle to make a simple thread loop hanger. This is it for now. If you liked the video, please do not forget to press the like and hype buttons and subscribe to the channel if you want to be informed of all the new developments. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.